May 2021. A single leaked password opens the door to one of the largest fuel pipelines in the United States. Cybercriminals seize control, not with bombs or guns, but with code. How could one login choke a nation? The gang is dark side ransomware for profit. Their target, fuel that powers airports, cities, trucks. They deliver a demand, pay, or everything stays shut. How does hidden malware take control of steel and gasoline? Suddenly, screens freeze and so do the roads. Gas stations run dry. Lines stretch for hours. Panic travels faster than the attack itself. If stories like this help you see the world differently, hit like and subscribe. You'll want to know what happens next. Millions in cryptocurrency are paid to restore operations. But even after keys unlock the data, recovery crawls. Ransomware doesn't just steal files, it steals time and control. And the cause of all this? One weak password, one careless moment, not sci-fi but a warning. If a single credential can shut down a pipeline, what could the next one shut down? The battlefield isn't visible. It lives between your keyboard and someone else's ambition. So ask yourself, how strong is the door to the systems you depend on?